this session, I am going to discuss NCERT Class 7 Sea Breeze and Land Bridge. Sea Breeze and Land Bridge Class 7 NCERT. Before going to know about this session, ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూస్తున్న వారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని సలహా ఇవ్వండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. ఓకే, లెట్ us go to the today's topic, sea breeze and land breeze. Let us go to the today's topic, sea breeze. The people living in the coastal areas experience an interesting phenomenon. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the water. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cooler air from the sea rushes in towards the land to take its place. The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. The air from the sea is called a sea breeze. So, the sea breeze occurs only in the morning, during the daytime. If you are comparing the temperature on the land and water, land gets heated faster than the water. So, the air coming from the sea and occupies the place. So, the air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cool air from the sea rushes in towards the land to take its place. The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. So, blowing air from the sea is called the sea breeze. Next, let us go to the next topic, land breeze. To see the cooler sea breeze, the windows of houses in coastal areas are made to face the sea. At night, it is exactly the reverse. The water cools down more slowly than the land. So, the cooler air from the land move towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. Land breeze occurs during night times. At night it is exactly reverse. The following figure, the figure shows for you during the daytime occurs sea breeze and during night time it occurs land breeze. So, at night it is exactly the reverse. The water cools down more slowly than the land. So, the cooler air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. Next, observe this figures carefully. This is occurring in the daytime. Here this picture refers the during night time. So, during daytime sea breeze, during night time land breeze. Next is the below figures, cool air and here hot air. This complete cycle occurs in the sea breeze. This hot air and again cool air. Hot air coming from the sea to cool the land. So, this complete picture refers the land breeze. Next, kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Take two identical pans, paint the outer surface of one black and one of the other white. Pour equal amount of water in each and leave them in the midday sun for about an hour. Measure the temperature of water in both the cans. Do you find any difference in the temperature of these two cans? See the figure. This we are taking two tin cans. Two are identical and one painted with the black and the other painted with the white. We are pouring equal amount of water in these two tin cans and we are placing in the presence of temperature in the midday sun. So, now we are after 1 hour we are measuring the temperature, or they are equal. Now see once again, which can is the water warmer? You can feel the difference even by touching water in the two cans. So, which one painted black in that can warmer. So which one painted white in that little bit cool. Next, woolen cloth keeps us warm in winter. In winter, we use woolen cloths. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. It does not allow any heat to pass through them. So that's why we are calling it as poor conductor of heat. Moreover, there is air trapped in between the wool fibers. So this air prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings. So we feel warm. Woolen cloth keeps us warm in winter. Next, dark colored objects absorbs radiation better than the light colored objects. That is the reason we feel more comfortable in light colored clothes in the summer. So, woolen cloth keeps us warm during winter. It is so because wool is a cool conductor of heat and it has air trapped in between the fibers. This is about the today's class. Thanks for watching this video.